Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of LinkedIn. You will go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about LinkedIn. Then this page of app info. You will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching your attention.